Sri Pradhyut Vikram Kishore Devarma, who has been elected from 18 Nagarjula Jambujola ST District Council constituency. I call upon Sri Pradhyut Vikram Kishore Devarma to come over and to take over.
Bujang Pradhyut Vikramanikya, Ibraha Ibrasa Muluk Baitan, Michael Jak Hankar, Wakchak Rokni Adam Mungui, Jamjakpa Yagulu Kaitorni Mungui Sumai Bangui Sajao, Hakake Koito Narangui Sumai Bango Sajao, Harut Elem Bakni, Desintui Hakjak Kerango Koito Kugui, Take Karot, Gumui Ano, Opiagui Tongmani Samungo, Kabai Kukai Angnai.
İşte